Welcome to the Arkansas Weather Blog. We are your ticket to big weather events. I'm meteorologist Todd Jacobian, and I want to go over the newest version of the GFS. We've been talking about all this wet weather heading our way for the end of the week, weekend, and the beginning of next week. And the things I want to show you, this is the latest version of the GFS, the Global Forecasting System, the Wednesday morning run. The things that I want you to keep an eye on, this moisture out here coming up out of the Pacific, the remnants of Simon, that's going to get shot out towards the east in the upper levels, and that will enhance rainfall amounts. And a frontal boundary, which is going to get caught up and meander around the state, and where that lies is still a question mark, and it'll be a focus for the heaviest rainfall. Sorry about that. You know, we were thinking Thursday was going to be a good chance for rain, and there could still be some showers, especially across northern Arkansas. But it looks like things are going to go more likely into Friday. This is Friday morning. This is an area of high pressure coming out of Canada. So you got this cool air, and there's the boundary with it right in here. So this is the frontal boundary, which is going to be barely moving, and you're already seeing the effects of the moisture getting pulled into the system. This is a Friday afternoon, and what these maps are showing you, it's not showing you where it's raining, it's showing you how much precipitation has fallen over the previous 6 hours. And so you can see, according to this one model, I'm just showing you one model, it's the northern half of the state Friday, and that slowly starts to move towards the south. Now this is Friday afternoon from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. The front is through the metro. It's lying, in fact, it's lying just on the south side of the metro, according to this one model. Don't take it literally yet, but you got a cool rain on the north side of it, and you got warm and muggy conditions, but you got a large area large areas of rain and thunderstorms along and especially north of that boundary during the day Friday. And notice how that overspreads the state late Friday. Does not look good for football games. And a lot of mud playing going on out there. But anyway, this is Saturday morning. Looks like a little wave of low pressure getting kicked out, scooting off towards the east. And it shows this is Saturday, showers stick around, maybe not to the extent that you see late Friday into Friday night, but it does show showers sticking around, and the boundary is in southern Arkansas. And then more moisture gets drawn up. Look at this on Sunday. This is Sunday at 1 p.m. showing you the focus across the southern half of the state. And notice how there's a wave of low pressure developing out here into the Texas Panhandle. You see that circulation right in here? So you're getting a wave of low pressure, and that starts to kick out, and it kicks the front back towards the north. This is late in the day, Sunday afternoon, I should say. Showers and thunderstorms become more widespread. This isn't a continuous rain, but it's getting that way by late in the day Sunday. And then the rain and the thunderstorms really start developing and going Sunday night. Look at Monday morning. This is during the night Sunday from 1 a.m. to 7 a.m. This is the GFS showing that wave of low pressure pulling out, and some of that rain locally heavy, continuing through Monday morning. And then finally, a wave of low pressure in the upper levels comes out of the western United States, develops a strong surface low, and all the moisture gets shoved off towards the east. And this is early Tuesday morning. The surface low is in Ohio, with the front extending towards the south, and we're drying out. So that's the newest version of the GFS. And let me show you a courtesy of weatherbell.com. This is showing you total amounts of precipitation. So a possible heavy rain event. Let's go all the way out to Tuesday morning. Just off the screen, I can't show it to you, but where you see these reds, these dark reds, that's indicating 3 inches or more total. This is total. And this is from weatherbell.com as well, but this is taking the Weather Prediction Center's analysis, their manual analysis of how much rain could fall. And they're really focusing, I'll take out to two, this is 12Z Tuesday morning on October 14th. So this is Tuesday at 7 a.m. How much precipitation between now and then? And you see the heaviest amounts across the north, where they could be between 3 and 4 inches across the north. Lighter amounts across the south, but still significant. And I think I have here, yeah, here's the Weather Prediction Center. See, this is day 3. This is Saturday. So there's the front, and this is just what somebody at the Weather Prediction Center, in fact, the forecaster is Paul Cosin on this. Anyway, you see where they're lying the frontal boundary across Arkansas. It's stationary with waves of low pressure. One zips along. That's remember how I showed that boundary going towards the south on Sunday, and then another wave developing along that boundary out in the Oklahoma and Texas Panhandle. That's going to kick the front towards the north. That's Sunday morning. So during late Sunday and into Monday, see how that skyrockets back towards the north as yet another wave of low pressure develops. And that's the primary wave, which is going to act to get rid of all the moisture by Tuesday morning. Watch this. That's Monday morning, and then Tuesday morning it all kicks away. So, like I said, it's going to be waves of rainfall, and I think it's really going to start going as we go throughout the day Friday. I think as the day progresses, rainfall amounts, and I'll just go right back to and show you what I'm going in review. There we go. You see on Friday, this starts to move in from the north, overspreads the state, and it looks like the southern areas of Arkansas may be more prone during the day Saturday, and then Sunday everything starts to kick on off towards the north again as that more significant wave of moisture moves across the state. Could some of these thunderstorms be strong or severe? I'm not going to say no. That certainly is a possibility, but I think in this situation, the main threat is going to end up being heavy rainfall. So thank you very much for coming to the Arkansas Weather Blog. I'll keep you posted. We are your ticket to big weather events.